And just like that, Michael and I are officially no longer New York City residents. After almost 10 years here, we packed up our entire lives in the Roadway moving truck and we headed to the suburbs. We've now worked with Roadway for our past 3 moves in New York City, and working with them is always such a simple and seamless process. If you want them to, they come into your home and they pack everything up for you. They take such good care of every single item. It's honestly really satisfying to watch them pack. But the best part about working with Roadway is the people. The team is so nice. They're so fun to spend the day with. And every single person I've ever met that worked for this company is just so organized, so caring, and so incredibly competent. It only took a few hours in the morning to pack up our entire 3-bedroom apartment. We had a lot of fun along the way, as you can see. And then it was time to pack up the truck, and this is where things got a little bit sad for me and Michael, a little nostalgic. I just can't believe that over the past 10 years, we've hopped from apartment to apartment in this beautiful city. New York has been such a huge part of our love story. As we've lived here, we've gone through so many stages of life together, from engagement to getting married to having a baby, and now we've purchased our first house and we're heading for the suburbs. If I ever move again in the future, you better believe I'll be working with Roadway, and if you have any moves coming up, use Lucie Fink 10 for 10% off.